This is the Lilium Jet, a flying machine that looks like it came straight out of the future. Born in Germany, it's a fully electric VTOL aircraft, meaning it can take off and land vertically, like a helicopter, but with the smooth cruise of a jet. What makes it truly wild? 36 electric duct fans hidden in its wings. No exposed blades, no roaring engines, just clean, quiet lift and jet-like flight. It can carry up to 6 passengers, hit speeds of 186 miles per hour, and cover about 155 miles on a single charge. With no need for a runway, it can lift off from rooftops, parking lots, or compact landing pads, making city-to-city air travel not just possible, but practical. It's built for urban air mobility and designed to turn gridlock into airspace. The Lilium Jet isn't just crazy. It's clean, clever, and completely game-changing. Welcome to the next era of flight. Meet the Icon A5, the amphibious flying machine that looks like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. This is not just a plane, it's your personal adventure vehicle. Built to fly, land on water, and be towed home like a jet ski, the Icon A5 is redefining what it means to take off. With foldable wings, a sleek carbon fiber body, and the ability to take off and land on both land and water, the A5 is pure versatility. It runs on regular auto. Fuel, cruises at 109 miles per hour, and seats 2. Perfect for thrill-seeking pilots or weekend warriors. What makes it even crazier? You don't need a traditional pilot's license. Thanks to its classification as a light sport aircraft, it's one of the most accessible aircrafts ever designed. Plus, its intuitive controls and built-in parachute system make flying almost feel like driving a high-performance sports car in the sky. With its panoramic cockpit, fighter jet-inspired design, and total James Bond vibes, the Icon A5 isn't just a flying machine, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Welcome to Flight Reimagined. Welcome to the future of flight. This is the Volocopter VoloCity, an all-electric, vertical takeoff and landing air taxi that's straight out of a sci-fi dream. With 18 electric rotors spinning in perfect harmony, the VoloCity lifts off like a drone, but carries 2 passengers up to 22 miles, silently, smoothly, and emission-free. This futuristic beast doesn't need a runway. It takes off and lands vertically, making it perfect for cities. Think of it as your airborne Uber, ready to dodge traffic from rooftop to rooftop. Inside, it's quiet, sleek, and designed for comfort. No noisy propellers in your face. Just clean design, panoramic windows, and a ride smoother than your luxury sedan. Developed in Germany and tested worldwide, the VoloCity is already being prepped for commercial use. And yes, real passenger flights could be just around the corner. Zero emissions. Vertical. Freedom. The Volocopter VoloCity isn't just an aircraft. It's a glimpse into how we'll commute tomorrow. Meet the KIWIGOGO T1, a real-life jet suit that turns humans into flying machines. This wild invention uses jet engines on your arms and back to lift you straight off the ground, Iron Man style. It's a full VTOL system, meaning it can take off and land vertically with no runway. Just strap in, ignite, and soar. Controlled by body movement and balance, the T1 gives you complete freedom in the air, with a heads-up display to track altitude and thrust. Built with aerospace-grade materials and fueled by jet fuel, this suit is all about power and precision, capable of hovering, turning, and blasting through the sky with stunning agility. Still in development, but already tested in flight, the T1 isn't science fiction. It's the next step in personal aviation. No wings, no cockpit, just pure jet-powered flight. The KIWIGOGO T1 is easily one of the craziest flying machines ever built. Get ready for the skies of tomorrow. This is Joby Aviation's electric air taxi, a flying machine that looks like a cross between a helicopter, a drone, and a spaceship. Fully electric, ultra-quiet, and capable of vertical takeoff and landing, Joby's aircraft carries 4 passengers plus a pilot, cruising at 200 miles per hour with a range of up to 150 miles on a single charge. Its 6 tilting rotors allow it to hover like a drone, then shift forward for high speed flight. No runway needed. It's designed for city-to-city travel, slashing commute times and cutting carbon emissions to zero. Tested in flight and backed by big names like Toyota and the US military, Joby isn't building a prototype, they're building the future. From rooftop to rooftop, in near silence, the Joby eVTOL is more than just a flying car. It's one of the craziest and most real flying machines in the world right now. Introducing the vertical Aerospace VX4, a futuristic flying machine built to take urban air travel to new heights. This all-electric eVTOL aircraft looks like a fusion of a jet and a drone, and it's designed to carry 4 passengers and a pilot with 0 emissions. With 8 electric rotors and vertical takeoff and landing capability, the VX4 lifts off like a helicopter, then tilts forward to cruise at over 200 miles per hour, covering distances up to 100 miles, all while staying whisper quiet. Inside, it's sleek, modern, and built for comfort. No noise, no turbulence, just smooth, sustainable flight. Vertical Aerospace is working closely with global aviation giants like Rolls-Royce and Honeywell to make this machine a reality. Currently in flight testing and aiming for commercial launch soon, the VX4 isn't just another concept. It's a real contender in the race to transform how we move. This isn't science fiction, it's next-gen aviation. The vertical VX4 is one of the craziest, cleanest flying machines in the sky. Meet the Cavorite X5, a radical hybrid flying machine that blends the range of an airplane with the vertical lift of a drone. Developed by Horizon Aircraft, this futuristic beast is part jet, part VTOL, and all innovation. With hidden vertical lift fans embedded in its wings, the X5 can take off and land vertically, then close its wing panels mid-air to become a high-speed, fixed-wing aircraft. It's like watching a transformer take flight. It seats 5 people, has a projected range of over 300 miles, and can hit speeds of around 280 miles per hour, all while running on a hybrid electric system, giving it flexibility and endurance most electric aircraft can't match. Currently undergoing prototype testing, the Cavorite X5 is being built for real-world missions, from urban air mobility to search and rescue. Futuristic? Absolutely. Feasible? Very. The Cavorite X5 is easily one of the craziest and most versatile flying machines in development today. Meet the H2Fly HY4, the world's first passenger aircraft powered entirely by liquid hydrogen fuel cells. This futuristic flying machine is rewriting the rulebook with zero-emission flight. Developed in Germany, the HY4 is a sleek, twin-fuselage aircraft designed for clean, silent skies. Instead of jet fuel, it uses supercooled liquid hydrogen, stored at -253 degrees Celsius, which feeds a fuel cell to generate electricity. That power drives an electric motor, and the only emission? Pure water. In 2023, H2Fly made history by completing the first piloted flight powered by liquid hydrogen, a massive leap toward long-range, sustainable aviation. With a potential range of up to 1,500 kilometers, this isn't science fiction, it's the future taking flight. So buckle up. The HY4 isn't just an aircraft, it's a clean, green flying machine that could change the skies forever. Say hello to the drone Arc by Arc Aerosystems, a mind-blowing hybrid drone that merges rotorcraft agility with fixed-wing speed. It's not just a drone. It's a VTOL beast that can take off like a helicopter, then transform mid-air and soar like a plane. With its unique tilting wings and rotors, the drone Arc is designed for extreme efficiency and range. We're talking up to 300 kilometers on a single flight. That's 10 times farther than most commercial drones. Originally inspired by military-grade UAVs, it's now being adapted for everything from cargo delivery to aerial surveillance and disaster response. And get this, it's fully autonomous, using advanced AI to navigate through complex environments, no pilot required. The drone Arc isn't just pushing boundaries, it's redefining them. From sci-fi to sky-high, Arc Aerosystems has built a flying machine that's as crazy smart as it is futuristic. Strap in for the opener BlackFly, a personal flying machine straight out of a sci-fi movie. This all-electric, single-seat aircraft isn't just wild-looking. It's a game-changer in personal air travel. With its 8 rotors, VTOL capability, and no runway required, the BlackFly can lift off from your backyard and cruise at up to 72 miles per hour. And get this, it has a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, made from lightweight carbon fiber and designed to be incredibly intuitive. It doesn't even require a pilot's license to fly in the US under ultralight regulations. Just a joystick, a GPS, and a futuristic sense of adventure. With over 50,000 test miles already flown, the BlackFly is built for safety, stability, and pure aerial freedom. It's not just a drone, not quite a plane, it's a flying pod for the future. Welcome to the skies, opener BlackFly style.